like a bitter taste on my tongue, like the storm that I can't outrun, a splinter too deep. I can barely breathe. All these wires are frayed, but the silence is bound to break like a violent scream in an endless dream. When the